Have you ever imagined a country going completely broke, unable to pay its international debts? It sounds like a movie plot, but many nations have faced this crisis with devastating consequences. Let's dive in. Government default, not national bankruptcy. Don't get it wrong. A national default means the government fails to pay its debts on time, not that the entire country goes bankrupt. Government revenue and budget deficit. Governments earn money from taxes, international aid, state-owned enterprises, and borrowing. But when spending exceeds revenue due to economic downturns, corruption, or poor management, it leads to a budget deficit. Who are the creditors? Why the deficit? Creditors can be the IMF, World Bank, private investors, or institutions both domestically and internationally. Budget deficits arise from high interest rates, economic recessions, or ineffective public spending policies. Consequences of government default. The nation's credit rating collapses, making borrowing nearly impossible. In extreme cases, it may face economic sanctions. If default is avoided, the government must negotiate debt restructuring, lower interest rates, or extend repayment deadlines. Impact on citizens. Financial panic spreads. People withdraw money from banks, causing economic turmoil. The local currency devalues, inflation soars, and the economy spirals downward. The result? Social unrest and severe recession. A national default isn't just a financial issue. It's an economic and social disaster. Are you ready to understand the full impact?